Okay, the next question. There are 12 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 squares. What fraction of the squares are blue? There are 12 squares. That's the total. What fraction of the squares are blue? Again, the total is 12. Okay, the total is 12. Oops. The total is 12. There are 12 squares. And some are blue and some are orange. Okay, how many are blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 blues. 8 blue square. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 orange square. Now the question. What fraction of the squares are blue? I want only the blue squares. Okay, I want a fraction. How many squares are there altogether? 12 squares. So 12 should be the denominator. How many are there altogether? In the numerator, the squares that are blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So add 12. So that means 8 out of 12 squares are blue. Hanya 8 daripada 12 square tu color biru. So at 12, can I simplify? Yes. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 4 and 6. Do I stop there or can I simplify again? I can simplify again. 4 and 6 can be divided by 2. Can be divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 2/3 of the squares are blue. Okay. If you look at this one, 3. So I can divide into 3 groups. One group, 2 groups. Divide into 3 groups, 3 kumpulan. Okay, so it says 2 groups out of 3 are blue. So this is one group, this is another group. 2 groups out of 3 are blue. So it goes with our answer, 2/3. Next one. Now, this one using multiplication. What is 1/3 of the squares? What is 1/3 of the squares? Okay, if you look at this one, I only want 1/3 of the square. Okay, it doesn't say what color. Okay, one group out of 3 berapa square? Now, if you look at this one, there are 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. I only want one group. So I only want one group only saja. That group. Only one. Only one group. So in one group, there are how many squares? 4. Okay, there are 4 squares. So my answer should be 4. I only want one group. Now let's try to do the working. Write the proper fraction. Okay, this is the proper fraction. I write it down. 1/3. Okay, before that, what is 1/3 of the squares? Of the squares, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I just prepare there. There are 12 squares. Okay, altogether berapa? 12 squares. So now, write the proper fraction. I write down the proper fraction sudah. Then, change of to times. This of, I change to times. Change the whole number into an improper fraction. 12 is a whole number. I change into an improper fraction, denominator always 1. So 12, denominator always 1. That's a whole number. This is a whole number. If we change into improper fraction, sentiasa 1 bawahnya. Done. Multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. 1 times 12 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3. Now, 12 out of 12 over 3 is the same as, you already learned this one, 12 divided by 3. Oops, sorry, it's the same as 12 divided by 3. We learned that one. Fraction change to division, division change to fraction. So 12 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 3 times 4 is 12, 0. But the answer here is 0. So you do not write like this. 4, 0, 3. No. There's no fraction numerator 0. So I only write 4 wholes. Because 12 divided by 3 is 4. So my answer is 4. Sama. What is 1/3 of the square? I only want one group of 3. Okay, satu kumpulan saja juga mau. So this is satu kumpulan. Satu kumpulan ada berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. My answer is also 4.